Is this the end of Uber and Lyft? That's what we're talking about in today's video. Please thumbs it up. It's more important now than ever that more people are aware of what's actually going on behind closed doors. Uber executives are leaving the company. You know, Uber CEO Dara Khosrowshahi, he goes out and he's, oh yeah, Uber's fine, Uber's fine. Passengers are upset they're paying too much money. Drivers are upset they're not getting enough money. Uber executives are leaving the company. All signs point to the potential end of Uber and Lyft. So that's what we're talking about today. Before I get started, I want to tell you all about Current. Current is a new bank that pays you 4% interest APY, and you get paid up to 2 days faster when you sign up for direct deposit. So use my link below. It's free to sign up. You get money when you sign up with their debit card. It's totally free. And they have no overdraft fees up to 200 bucks, which I know for me, super helpful when you're driving Uber and Lyft. A lot of times, you know, you have to accidentally go overdraft. They pay you $35 fee. Oh my gosh, I hate that. So check out Current, link down below. You start earning some awesome income with their savings pods. Okay, so this article just came out. Uber and Lyft drivers are protesting in Massachusetts as gas prices continue to increase. And they're protesting here, but I think people should be protesting all across the nation. Why? Because Uber and Lyft are potentially ending their gas fuel surcharge. Rideshare drivers in Massachusetts are expected to protest Tuesday over possible elimination of fuel surcharges while gas prices are still rising. Eric Vassallo, who is a rideshare driver in Massachusetts, said in a press release, this driver issued his own press release, kudos to him, he said, if anything, they should be increasing the surcharges. Uber began adding a fuel surcharge on March 16th after the, quote, recent spike in gas prices has affected rideshare and delivery drivers. The charges range from 45 cents to 55 cents on each Uber trip and 35 cents to 45 cents on each Uber Eats order, with 100% of that money going directly to workers' pockets. The temporary change was set for 60 days and was set to end in June, but gas prices have continued to increase. Uber told Mass Lives they have extended the surcharge, quote, indefinitely. Massachusetts is Not for Sale, a workers' advocacy group, is leading the protest that stated that both Uber and Lyft are leaving drivers to bear the brunt of escalating prices of $5 per gallon or more alone. On Monday, AAA said the national average was $5.01, which was an all-time high never seen since AAA began collecting data since 2000. In March, when the fuel surcharge was put in place, the average gas price was around $4. Yeah, and it's been going up and up and up. Why haven't they increased their fuel surcharge? It's gone up over $1 nationwide. So yeah, guys. Another McHenry said, he's a director of Massachusetts Not for Sale, called it a disgrace if Uber ended the surcharge, especially as gas prices are at record highs across the country. I think a lot of Uber drivers and Lyft drivers are starting to quit. They're starting to get, you know, regular jobs, and they're fed up. So he said drivers are already left to fend for themselves to cover repairs, taxes, health insurance, and other costs. They have no job protection such as sick and overtime pay, family leave, workers' compensation, and more. The only thing I disagree with there is that drivers are already left to fend for taxes. Everybody has to pay taxes. I'm sorry, buddy, but you work a W-2 job, you work at Marriott, you work at Starbucks, Nike, whatever, you're paying taxes. You work for Uber, you're paying taxes. There's no way of escaping that. Uber has nothing to do with that. That's all the IRS, the federal, your state. You can move to a state that has no income tax and you can save taxes there. But other than that, I do agree with a lot of these other things. So anyways, guys, want to share that video. Let me know your thoughts. Is this the end of Uber and Lyft? Or no, are we gonna stop being able to order Uber and Lyft rides because there's not gonna be any more drivers left? Comment your thoughts down below and sign up for Current using my link to earn 4% APY. It's a great offer and I use Current. It's pretty great. It's have it right here somewhere. Have it right here on my homepage. I was like, where is it? 4% APY. I put in $100, by the way, and you can see it's already up to $100.33. So it's just accumulating interest, which is pretty cool, and I'm probably gonna start adding in more. So thanks for watching. Take care. Talk to you soon. Bye now.